Braai Day is just around the corner, so let's up your braai game with some homegrown herb heroes: rosemary, mint, lemon thyme, and parsley. They're perfect for container gardening, allowing you to grow them right next to your braai, using quality potting soil, compost, and water-absorbing crystals for a water-wise garden. Rosemary, thyme, and oregano make great companions in one pot. However, parsley is thirsty and mint grows too enthusiastically, so plant them in their own pots. Let's start with a classic: lamb chops with rosemary and mint. Make a simple marinade with olive oil, chopped garlic, rosemary, and mint. Rub this over your lamb chops and let them marinate for at least an hour. Braai to your liking with a squeeze of lemon juice for flavor-packed chops. You can even use rosemary stems as skewers for lamb kebabs and even fish. Next, fish with parsley, lemon, and thyme. Thyme is a champion herb for water-wise gardens and thrives on complete neglect. The more you snip it, the more it grows. Combine melted butter, lemon juice, lemon thyme, and parsley for a zesty basting sauce. Brush it on both sides of your fish, season, and braai, flesh side down. After 3 to 4 minutes, flip it, baste again, and finish with skin side down for flaky, juicy fish in 14 to 20 minutes. Take your Heritage Day braai to the next level with homegrown herbs and more available at your local GCA garden centre. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find a garden centre near you. Yummy.